क्वालिटी की बात करें, वुमेन फिल्म की बात करें,
जी।
आप बताइए क्या फील करती हैं आप?
ऑफ कोर्स आई थिंक आई डू बिलीव इन एन इक्वल वर्ल्ड. ये जो जेंडर बायस है ये पता नहीं कहाँ से किसने शुरू किया. आई रियली डोंट नो. आई वुड लाइक टू मीट दैट पर्सन इफ he is still alive. But I think, yeah, we live in a world where it's high time that men and women in general are treated equally. Whether it's your workplace, whether it's home, whether it's in terms of the payment that you get, the kind of work you do, everything, every sense of freedom for that matter.
As an actor, what is your message to other participants? Like when it comes to Bollywood, we are kind of scared about the kind of atmosphere, negative atmosphere that is in the hard Weinstein controversy that is happening in Hollywood right now. What is your message?
I think I just want to say that don't be scared. I think it should start with standing up for yourself. And when you stand up for yourself and when you're confident enough about your talent, about the kind of work that you want to do, everything else falls into place. Take stand for yourself. And I'm here. I'm not from a film background. And I think, it's you face things. I literally have been lucky enough, fortunate enough to have not faced any sort of negativity. But I know that it does exist, but it exists in every field. It exists in every part of this world. So I think only when you stand up and when you know that you deserve it, will you actually get it.
You were a part of Bareilly Ki Barfi, which did so well, and there are movies like Queen and Dangal that have done so well in the box office.
Yeah.
So it's time that producers take you seriously. What about equal pay?
I guess I really feel that payment in any field probably should be dependent on the kind of work that you do and what you bring to the table. So when it comes to films as well, I think it should be based on how much work do you have in the film and how much, how many days and how much hard work that you're putting in or you're required to put in the film, and of course the kind of audience that you bring to the theatres, because eventually it all boils down to how many people come and watch the film. So it should just be dependent on that and nothing else, not definitely on gender at all. And I think I also do have a problem with certain films where the actress or the woman is the center of the film. It's called women-centric films, which I really have an issue with. I don't think they should be called women-centric, because the rest of the films we never call them male-centric. So yeah, I think these small things, I think not knowingly we sort of say these things or mention these things, which somewhere cause this disparity and this bias.
Last question. Oxfam's come up with this Gender Equality Award. Do you think it's time for Filmfare, Stardust, the Screen Awards to also have this category?
Gender Equality Award, I don't really know what that would mean eventually. I think, even talking again and again about, women empowerment and all of that, you're making it sound like women are not empowered or they need to be empowered. Of course, there needs to be balance. So I think I always talk about equality in every field and every kind of equality. Being a feminist also doesn't mean that you're pro-women. It means that you're pro-equal freedom and equality of gender in general. So yeah, I don't know about equality of gender awards. Yeah. Sorry? Diwali is one of my favorite festivals. I think, I love all the lights around, and it's the time when you meet your friends, when you meet your relatives, and it's a happy festival. But yes, I do feel that it should be cracker free, it should be noise free, it should be pollution free. So yeah, I think celebrate Diwali in a good positive way and stay safe.